Saxophone.
Good afternoon. We are a saxophone quintet from Cedar Falls High School, and we will be performing Lisbon, an Irish tune from County Derry by Granger.
enjoyable performance. I thought that you have just individually really very appropriate characteristic saxophone tone qualities, and then blending together was just very nice. A couple things that I noticed is just, especially in the Irish tune, just making sure that we're tonguing just kind of in a little more lightly, just to make it a little more of a legato feel in there, kind of especially towards the end. And then just making sure that when we're releasing, we have all those releases in time. Don't have anybody kind of hanging over or any different. And that's something that you can just use, especially with that eye contact, across the group. That can even help with that. But this was all just so very accurate and really just fun to listen to. I hope you guys enjoy playing together because that was really fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.